If only I had somewhere to put all these clamps. I'll be back in a second. Hey! Where'd that come from? Hey kids, welcome to another one of these Cool Tool Tuesday videos. My name is Phil Shinbine, and this week on Cool Tool Tuesday, we're going to talk about these Torquata clamp racks. If your workshop is anything like mine, there is crap everywhere. The particular reason why there's so many things in so many stupid places that make no sense is because they don't have a specific, clever, easy home, right? That's the whole point of these clamp racks, right? Because you have a rack, you take it off the piece, you put it on the rack. That's the entire point. Now, you could just go ahead and make one for yourself out of scrap timber or whatever, but that's a bit of a waste of time because these are really easy. They're good to go. They just zip, zip. These clamp racks come in 3 different sizes with a capacity of 9, 12, or 15 clamps, and they will hold pretty much any clamp you can possibly find or think of or get your hands on. They are available individually or singly if you prefer, as well as part of a kit. The kits are very handy in that they are an entire workshop in a box. Well, several boxes, I suppose. These racks even come with the screws that you need to mount them to the wall. Anybody who's ever handled a parallel clamp knows how much they weigh. Now imagine the weight of 12 of them. These racks can handle it quite easily, as you can see behind me here. These are very heavy-duty, solid steel clamp racks, and they even have this cute little lip to keep things from falling off. Isn't that adorable? And one final note, for those of you who are one of those Instagram woodworkers, these look great on the wall behind you, in the background of all your shots. So there you go, Torquata's clamp rack. It comes in 3 different sizes. It is fantastic, it is steel, it'll look good on the wall. For everything you need to know about this, go to timbicon.com.au. That's where you get to find everything you need to know to get woodworking. Find a link to this and everything else in the shop down below. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. I'm Phil Shinbine, and I will see you when I see you.